Number 15. The number of trees in the forest is decreasing exponentially. Decreasing exponentially. So we need to use a compound interest, which is P bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N at the rate of 1.75 per year. So decrease. When I say decreasing, you need to minus. So that will give you P1 minus R over 100 to the power of N. Okay. 11 years ago, there were 980 trees. Calculate number of trees in the forest now. So just take 980, 1 minus 1.75, 100 to the power of is 11 years. So calculate, you should get 807.01. And give your answer correct to the nearest integers. Integers is just a whole number. It can be positive or negative. So that equal to 807. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.